Hi guys, today we are going to learn how can we fix a problem at WhatsApp that sorry this media file does not exist in your internal storage. Make sure that this WhatsApp should have the latest version. If you have not the latest version of WhatsApp in your Android or the iPhone, then you can solve this error by using this method that I am going to show in this video. So let's move on. Like I have NF4 WhatsApp in my mobile phone. I want to show you first the problem. I want to show you my status which have the problem. I want to upload this type of the status here, like send. You can see here that my status has been uploaded successfully, so you can see that here is no error. So let's move on to your files and then just click it, and I move it into the trash. I have deleted it from my internal storage like this. Let's move on our status. You can see here that an error like sorry this media file does not exist on your internal storage. So let's solve this problem. You just go onto your files, open it, and then click on the three dots or the three lines at the top right corner of the page. Then just click on the trash option and you will find here the deleted file. So just select it, and here you can see there are two options like delete and restore. As we want to restore this file, so I just click on the restore option. You will see here the option restore one file, and just click on it. Your file has been restored here. Let's move on our status and see that our error has been solved or not, and you can see that our error has been solved. So guys, that's all for this video. I hope that you learned a lot from this video. Guys, give this video a like and also subscribe my channel, as this is Let's Me Guide. See you again in the next video. Thanks for watching.